things, how can we solve that equation? Okay, boys, is it board is clear to you? Is it board is clear to you? See, the question is if 0 less than a less than pi by 4 and cos a is equal to 4 by 5, find the value of sine 2a and cos 2a. Okay, this is the question. Now the answer should be, see, first of all, what are the givens? The first thing is given that where a is lying. Okay, a is lying in first quadrant because a is under 0 to pi by 4. Pi by 4 is nothing but 45. Okay, so a is between 0 to 45. So given 0 a pi by 4, that implies a is lying in first quadrant. First quadrant. Okay, now second thing is given cos a, that is 4 by 5. Okay, and we have to find sine 2a. Sine 2a we have to find. So I know sine 2a formula, that is 2 sine a cos a. 2 sine a cos a. But here only cos a is given. So we have to find cos a. We have to find sine a with the help of cos a. So here just apply the trigonometry identity. Okay. So sine square a 1 minus cos square a. Okay. You can write as well 1 minus cos is given, that is 4 by 5 square, 1 minus 16 by 25. Now 1 minus take LCM, then 25 minus 16 by 25, then here you will have 25 minus 16, that is nothing but 9 by 25, then 3 by 5 after taking square root. So sine a is equal to is nothing but 3 by 5. Now we have sine a value, cos a value. Put the value here, you will get sine 2a. Okay, so here you found 3 by 5. Now sine 2a is nothing but 2. Sine a value is 3 by 5 and cos a value is nothing but 4 by 5. Okay, now just multiply. So 4 3 is 12, 12 to the 4 3 is 12, 12 to the 24. Okay, 24 by 25. So sine 2a is nothing but 24 by 25. This is the answer. Okay, now you can find cos 2a with cos 2a either using this formula, or you can use cos 2a is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square a. Okay, now आप कोई भी फॉर्मूला यूज करो cos 2a का, बिकॉज आपके पास sin 2a की भी वैल्यू है, sin a की भी वैल्यू है. ओके, आप कोई सी वैल्यू डाल के आप cos 2a फाइंड कर सकते हो. So I am going to find cos 2a is equal to, I am going to use sin a. Sin a is nothing but 3 by 5. 3 by 5. 3 by 5 square. So 1 minus 2 into 9 by 25. Then take LCM, 25 minus 9 to the 18. 18 by 25. Now 25 minus 18, that is 7. 7 by 25. So cos 2a is nothing but 7 by 25. Okay, I'm giving 1 minute, just look the problem and just go through once at least. If you didn't get anything, then let me know fast. Is it done, boys? Is it done, boys? Okay. So we are going to see the next question. Okay. The next question is that is for what value of a, for what value of a, for what value of a in the first quadrant, in the first quadrant, the expression is positive. Expression cot cube minus 3 cot a 3 cot square a minus 1 is positive. Okay. Here we have to tell that मतलब कौन सी a की वैल्यू होगी जिसमें जो ये एक्सप्रेशन है वो पॉजिटिव रहने वाला है. ओके. तो let assume our expression is cot cube. What is the expression? Cot cube a. Okay, so cot cube a minus 3 cot a 3 cot square a minus 1 is greater than 0. We assume. Okay, we assume that our expression is greater than 0. That means this expression is going to be a positive term. Okay, positive term. Okay, now here what we have to tell that we have to tell that a in which condition or in which angle a वैल्यू शुड बी देयर, मतलब a की कौन सी वैल्यू पे वो एक्सप्रेशन पॉजिटिव रहेगा. तो हमें यहाँ पे a की वैल्यू के बारे में बात करना है. ओके, सो आई कैन कंसीडर आल्सो cot 3a. अगर ये एक्सप्रेशन पॉजिटिव है तो cot 3a भी पॉजिटिव होगा. ओके, अगर ये एक्सप्रेशन जो है हमने पॉजिटिव अगर कंसीडर किए तो ये cot 3a भी जो है पॉजिटिव होगा. नाउ यहाँ पे कंडीशन क्या दी बच्चों? फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट. ओके, फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट. सो अगर मैं फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट की बात करूं तो फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट इस तरह होता है π/2, 0 less than 3a and 3a less than π/2. ओके, सो फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट. नाउ अब हमें जो है a की बात करना है, तो a की बात करने के लिए हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? यहाँ को 3 को यहाँ से 3 को हटाना पड़ेगा. वी हैव टू रिमूव 3 फ्रॉम हियर एंड देन वी विल गेट द कंडीशन. ओके, नाउ so if I am removing 3 here and it will go over there, then it will be multiply with 2. Then π/6. so a की जो वैल्यू है 0 to π/6, अगर 0 to π/6 के अंदर वैल्यू है a की तो एक्सप्रेशन जो है पॉजिटिव रहेगा. राइट बॉयज? and this is the first quadrant. First quadrant. ओके ना मुझे पता है कि ए जो है अगर कॉट 3a पॉजिटिव है, फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट में पॉजिटिव रहता है और थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट में पॉजिटिव रहता है, थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट. सो थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट मींस 3π/2 3a एंड 2π. ओके सॉरी ये थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट नहीं हुआ, ये फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट हो गया. थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट बोले तो सेकेंड क्वाड्रेंट से पाई से 2π/3. ओके तो ये क्वाड्रेंट में भी कॉट क्या होता है, पॉजिटिव होता है. इन दिस क्वाड्रेंट आल्सो कॉट इज पॉजिटिव. नाउ वी हैव टू रिमूव 3 फ्रॉम हियर, देन आई एम गोइंग टू गेट π/3a sorry 3π/2, then here I will get 2. And second thing is if the expression will be positive if the condition will be π/3 less than a and less than π/2. Okay, in these two condition, in this two condition, if the expression will be positive. Okay, this was the question and this was the answer. Make a note. Sheikh Hassan Ali, do you have any doubt? Okay, now we are going to see the next question. Does everyone have textbook of mathematics 1A? Because it's taking too time to write the question. If you all have textbooks, then I don't need to write question on the board. Okay, the next question is prove that. Okay, prove that cos 3a plus sin 3a cos a minus sin a is equal to 1/sin 2a. Okay, in this question just we have to take left hand side and we have to prove. Yes sir, we have textbook, you can directly write the question. Okay, so just see here solution. So here I am going to take left hand side. Left hand side is nothing but cos 3a plus sin 3a and cos a minus sin a. I know the formula of cos 3a and sin 3a. The formula is, see, cos 3 theta formula is 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta, and sin 3 theta value, sin 3 theta, that is nothing but 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. This is the two formula. This is the two formula. Okay, formula. So we are going to use these two formula. This is called multiple angle formula. We are going to use in our expression, that is cos 3a will be 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a, and sin 3a is nothing but plus 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. Okay, and cos a minus sin a. Now here we have 4, here we have 4. Just take common and take 3 common and 4 common. Okay, so here I am taking 4 as a common. So 4 cos cube a and minus sin cube a. Okay, now here I am going to take common 3. So 3 taking common, cos a minus sin a. Okay, and नीचे cos a minus sin a. Okay, now I can write, I know one formula, that is, the formula is, if a cube minus b cube is there, then I can write a minus b cube a square plus b square plus ab. Okay, this is the formula. Okay, now here I have a cos cube a minus sin cube a. So here I am going to use this formula here. So this is the formula. So 4 cos a minus sin a, and बॉयस जगह नहीं है मेरे पास यहाँ पे, सो यहीं पे कर लेते हैं. 4 cos minus sin a and cos square a plus sin square a plus sin a cos a. Okay, now here minus 3 cos a minus sin a. Okay, now here I am going to separate cos a minus sin a and cos a minus sin a. Okay, see here cos a sin a will get cancelled, and from here this term and this term will get cancelled. Okay, and sin square a cos square a will be 1. So here I will have is equal to 4 1 plus sin a cos a minus 3. Okay, now just multiply 4 with 1, then 4 sin a cos a minus 3 plus 4 minus 3 will be 1, and 2 into 2 sin a cos a. Okay, so I can write this term as sin 2a. So 1 plus 2 sin 2a. This is the right hand side. Okay, just go one, just look at once and go through. We use only 3 formula here: sin 3a cos 3a, and a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b bracket a square plus b square plus AB. This we formula use and we got the answer. Done, boys? Is it done, boys? Okay, yeah, this video is going to be recorded, so don't worry. I'm going to share this video on YouTube, and if you miss anything, then you can watch on YouTube. Okay, but because I don't have such time to give you, uh, because we need to cover syllabus more and more. Now the next question is question number second. Question number second, that is prove that. This also is prove that. Okay, so here I'm going to tell you very fast, that is pt, prove that cot pi by 4 minus theta is equal to cos 2 theta 1 minus sin 2 theta. We have to prove, and we have to find again one thing on cot 15 value, cot 15 value. Okay, so just see the question. This is the solution. Now here, first of all, we have to prove. So here I'm going to, here after taking left hand side, that is cot pi by 4 minus theta, pi by minus pi by 4 minus theta. I know one formula, that is cot a minus b, that is cot square a minus, means here we 1, and cot b minus cot a. This is called compound angle formula. What? Compound angle formula. Compound angle formula. Okay, now I'm going to apply this thing here. So I will have cot square pi by 4 minus sorry, plus 1, and cot here we have theta. So here we are going to use theta. Okay, so here it will be plus, and here we will have cot theta minus cot pi by 4. Okay, now cot pi by 4 is nothing but 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 plus 1, and here cot theta minus 1 by root 2. Okay, 1 by root 2. Okay, boys. So this problem, this method will be going to be very lengthy and difficult. Now I have a second method to solve this question. Just see here, without compound formula. So see here, I can write. I know cot A is nothing but I can write cos pi by 4 by minus theta and sine pi by 4 minus theta. Okay, because cot A is nothing but cos by sine. Okay, cos by sine. Now I know sine A plus B cos A plus B. See here, sine A plus B, that is sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. Okay, and cos A plus B is nothing but cos A cos B minus sine A sine B. Okay, so here just apply the formula. So here cos pi by 4 into cos theta plus sine pi by 4 into sine theta and sine pi by 4 cos theta minus cos pi by 4 sine theta. Okay, see here cos pi by 4 1 cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2, sin pi by 4 is 1 by root 2, sin pi by 4 is 1 by root 2, cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. Okay, now see here 1 by root 2 cos theta plus 1 by root 2 sin theta 1 by root 2 cos theta minus 1 by root 2 sin theta. Okay, now root, take 1 by root 2 common, then you will have, and 1 by root 2 will get cancelled, so here you will have cos theta plus sin theta and cos theta minus sin theta. Okay, now just see here. So if I'm dividing and multiplying cos theta plus sin theta and cos theta minus sin theta, see here I'm going to multiply cos theta minus sin theta and cos theta minus sin theta. Okay, dividing and multiplying with cos theta and minus theta, dividing and multiplying with cos theta minus sin theta. Okay, now it will be cos square theta minus sin square theta, and here you will have cos theta minus sin theta bracket square. I know cos square theta minus sin square theta is nothing but cos 2 theta. Okay, now just open the bracket and you will get cos square theta Boys, I'm telling you that if I get time on Saturday, then you have to come on Saturday for offline class. Boys, you have to come on Saturday as a offline class if I get time, and I will update you which time. Okay. Now, have you understood this question? If you have any doubt in this question, then let me know. And rest of the student, only Muhammad Amir gave a respond. Taha Ali and Arfat Khan, Sayyid Ishaq, Misbah Ahmad. Now we are going to see the next question. The next question is, okay, here one thing we have remained, that we have to find cos 50, cot 15. Okay, cot 15. So cot 15 we have to find. See here, the given thing is cot pi by 4, pi by 4 minus 30. Cot pi by 4 is nothing but 45. 45 minus 30. 45 minus 30 is nothing but 15. So this is nothing but 15. Cot 15. I know that is cot pi by 4 is equal to, I know cot pi by 4 minus theta is equal to cos 2 theta 1 minus sine 2 theta. So here I am able to write cot 45 minus 30 as cos 2 into 30 1 minus sine 2 into 30. Okay, now see, this will be cos 60 and 1 minus sine 60. Okay, cos 60 is nothing but 1 by 2, and here we will have sine 60. Sine 60 is nothing but root 3 by 2. Okay, then I will have 2 and okay 2, then 2 minus root 3 by 2, then this 2 will get cancelled. So here I will have 1 by 2 root 3, and if I am taking reciprocal, then I will have 2 plus root 3. Okay, so answer of cot 15 is nothing but 2 plus root 3. Boys, just rejoin once again. I am telling, just rejoin again once again, because here the session is going to be out. So rejoin once again.